What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but we're going back out. We're doing some trout fishing today. Supposed to be a snowstorm rolling in. I think we got a high of like 28 degrees. It's pretty cold out right now. We're going to start getting the gear in the truck, getting dressed, and we're going to get on the road. Got my buddy Cody here with me today, and it should be a really good one. We got a plan A, plan B, and a plan C for today. A lot of stuff in the area is frozen. Some is just opened up enough to fish. So we might be driving around doing a little bit of looking today to find some water. So I'll see you guys when we get to the stream, and enjoy.
Fish on.
We're gonna fish that run over there. We're gonna see if we can't get across all this ice here. Oh yeah, looks like we're gonna be able to just walk right on it. Not a ton of open water today. We might have to switch to a bigger stream, but I'm here now, so I just wanted to check and see if we can't get a few fish from here before we got to make a little drive. We'll probably hit, or at least check out another spot on this stream and see if there's any more open holes. Really low, really clear. Stay back as far as I can. I can pretty much see everything, but there's pretty decent depth to it, so we'll try it. There's not much good looking open water up or downstream. I'm gonna walk up a little bit, and if it's not good, we're gonna go back to the truck and do a little driving. This is so weird, just walking across the whole stream like this. I feel like I'm out ice fishing. All right, well, I'll see you guys when I get up here, see if we can fish it. Well, I won't be fishing up here. Back to the truck. I didn't know if it was gonna be open up there or not, where it's like, I don't know if you can see where it's kind of like light gray or not. Well, do some driving. Right at the very end of that, where it starts getting real slow, I know there's one, at least one hanging out down there. There's one. That's a nice fish too. It feels like it's shrinking. It's a nice little brown. Gorgeous. Whew, that is awesome for this cold day. All right, I'll show you guys this fish real quick. This first brown of this cold day here. Beautiful fish. Sending them back home. Got him. That fish just rose right in front of me. It's 28 degrees out. Just cast it over there and he ate it. That was so awesome. Beautiful rainbow too. Wow, that's a gorgeous fish. All right, guys, I'll show you this gorgeous rainbow, then we're gonna get him back home. That was so awesome. I watched this guy come up. I just cast it at him. Indicator went right down. That was so sick. That's good. That's a good start to the day so far. It is cold out, and it seems like things are starting to pick up. We're seeing fish rise. We're getting into fish here, so hopefully it's going to be a good afternoon. All right, we're going to walk downstream, fish a couple different holes down there, see if we can't get into some more fish. Kind of off the main system here, back behind an island. And there's a super nice looking little hole right here. I'm gonna try to get down. It's so clear, I don't want them to see me. Sneak up here on my knees. There's gotta be some fish in here. There's one. I was just saying, man, there's gotta be one in here. It's a nice brown too. Gorgeous brown. Oh, that's better than I thought it was. All right, there he is. Gorgeous, gorgeous brown. Get this guy back in the water. There he goes. Get another one. There's one. Got him. Another gorgeous brown. Cold. Oh! That's why you don't fish on the ice. Okay. Here's this brown trout. Whew. Oh. Ow. Reel's frozen. Okay, there's a good cast. There was one crap. Okay, he's looking at it. That's a nice fish. There he is. Got him. That's a nice fish. That's a nice rainbow. Okay, there's still some more fish down there. Hopefully we get this in. Cody, come down. Get a shot at one of these. That's a really nice rainbow. Get him in here. That was on the very top fly. Wow, that's a gorgeous fish. That was awesome. I'm not sure how good the footage turned out. We were just walking up. We were going to a different spot. And we saw a fish come up just now. Came down, we got set up. Cody was up top filming me. And we saw like 3 or 4. Another fish just came up way down there. We saw like 3 or 4 sitting there. Made a cast. I pulled it away too soon. He was coming after it. Second cast, whacked it. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow. Oh, hold on, buddy. There he is. That's awesome. What a beautiful fish. All right, we'll get him back in the water. Awesome. All right, got you guys on the GoPro now. I'm gonna sneak out here to where it gets deep. I'm gonna start nymphing it. Hopefully my reel's not frozen. Yes, it is. There we go. Got one. I'm coming. Got him, nice.
Beautiful. Hooked up on this nice rainbow.
Beautiful fish. Awesome.
Sweet. Let's do that again.
Awesome job.